I'm not taking a picture, it's a video.
It's a video. That was a video.
I'm taking you guys to school today. I thought I was recording of me getting out of the bus. I didn't, but I'm gonna show you outside our school. It's trash, only because location is whack and the government officials are just eating maintenance money like crap. Okay, anyways, let me just show you our school. This is our campus. I like up top, the bottom is trash. I don't know what's going on here, but you guys can see my face.
Sorry, I get it. So, shall I get
Introduce yourself. Since we're here.
Oh, you're asking me a question?
Ah, okay. Wow. Okay. By the way, there's no Swana and it. Can you introduce yourself?
Well, I'm Siabonga. Yeah, that's all I think I can say.
Ah, Siabonga, you're an artist. I have to just say Siabonga.
But you didn't tell me what
extra
I need. You didn't tell me what I need.
Be casual, be very casual. I don't want you to be stiff on my videos.
Okay.
No, this is not scripted. Oh, introduce yourself.
What's up, guys? I'm Lilo, aka
Yeah. See what I mean? Casual. Every time I come here, I check this thing. Okay, ooh, we're watching a movie today. What kind of movie are we watching? Look at this one. Introduce yourself, boy.
Yeah, bro, I'm Black Hippie Bastard. What's up?
What?
Black Hippie Bastard.
His name is James. Okay, let's just. I want to show you guys. Yes. Ding, 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 ding.
You know what I'm saying? Anime.
What happened?
You are doing that instead of pushing.
We always get confused, guys. Read! This is our lockers. Best dressed female in school. I'm telling you. I'm gonna show you her of you. When these people see this camera and they see that I'm filming them, look at his hair. It's about to get crazy. I don't know if you guys are ready for these people. Oh my word. You guys, such a letdown. Like, I literally just said you guys gonna make noise and then everyone just looks at. I knew it. Do you want to be on YouTube? I want to be on YouTube. Oh, yeah. Give us a runway walk. Yes. Yes. We ready. What are we looking for? Dior. Wait, no, Tom Ford. Ooh, drama. Ooh, baby, what? Look at the legs. Ooh. Ooh. What do we have at the back? Move out. Ooh. Yes. Alright, fabric glue just shows the textures and whatever. Alright, so we have garments today. Check out. There we go. Some machines. I like to leave this on, right? So that when I come back, I just tie my threads and continue. Let's meet everybody.
I'm not wearing a dress today.
Ooh.
Fashion designers.
Yes. You know, we're having an outfit change. What's going on, ladies? We are in class.
We're making a stuff into a dress-ish. We're doing.
Interesting. Okay. When you're a designer, you get to change your outfits wherever, whenever, throughout the day, I guess. Hey, girl. Okay, real name. Sorry.
Hi guys.
Hey.
This is Pumla.
Hi Pumla.
And this is the most boring class ever.
Most boring class ever. I thought you were designing, supposed to be sewing.
It's very exhausting.
Look at this one. Look at this one. Bree's having a style moment. Why is there a mirror in this class?
There's a mirror in every class.
Yes.
At least one on the ball.
Morning. Ha. Today I love your outlook, honey. Huh? Akiana just came to school. Look at her. Look at her. Styling. Akiana! If you really. Yes. Oh, honey. 360.
Are you taking a
what?
video?
Yes. You. Introduce yourself.
I said I'm a pure the dawn, pure the gold.
I don't know what you just said. I don't know that name at all whatsoever. Today's gonna be a stressful day. I don't know why I decided to vlog this day because garments is a lot. Guys, we're checking out our mugs. It's so deep. I did feel the days. What if you failed? Why do you want to see your mug?
Don't take pictures of the mugs.
Bruce taking a picture of our mugs.
I'm like, oh god.
Come too far. What would you say? Wrong. Wow. Why are we overtaking? Wow. Wow. PG-13. My kids watch this, okay? You guys, this is why I'm failing. Yo! It's your boyfriend. It's stressful, guys. It's stressful.
I'm doing it right now.
At this point, we don't really have a free period. People are working. I don't know. We have an assignment. We've just given a brief, so people are actually working. I'm guessing people are doing TOC. Theory of clothing. Yes. My best friend in this class is the unpicker.
This is not very good.
Because I suck, okay? We all know I suck.
We all suck.
I know, like, it's bad. Like, we are. Oh! Nah.
We short.
She show.
Come in. Gang.
Game, gone. Hey, cheers. Are we on the right floor? Yes. Thank you. Literally, today's vlog is about us here.
Welcome to my world. Follow me.
Wow, dramatic. Yes.
Welcome to my crib.
And we are late. And I sit on the phone. Okay, it's lunch right now. I'm just gonna show you where people hang out or whatever. Our rooftop is hideous. But okay, my friends are not here.
It's so annoying.
Okay, before my bedsheet dries, let me explain myself. I've been putting my camera in my lunch bag. Now I left my lunch in my locker while she's having a great time with her meal. Wow. Food porn. Ooh. So I'm just gonna get my lunch. It's just one floor down, so I can do that. I left my keys. You're a mess. What? I had my lunch. Oh, I'm having a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Cringe. Yo, no. No.
Phutistyles out here.
Why are you stalking me, bro? About your outfit?
My outfit.
Yes.
Right.
Ooh. Yes. Men's Fashion Week. What you know about that? So this is a school trip to Beijing. You know, I might be going there as well. Lord, please. Oh my God. I'm expecting a delivery to come to campus. I'm gonna go down to go check it. Ooh. The ladies that are never in the cafeteria. Look at those nails. How do you sew with those? Daggers. This guy's always killing it, by the way, just saying. What's your Instagram handle?
Instagram handle, okay, it's Chosen Mafia.
Why Chosen Mafia?
Because I feel like you've been chosen.
Oh, okay. Follow, guys.
Thank you.
Ooh. Hi, song, y'all. Turn around, give us a twirl.
Wait.
Look at that. Wow. Doesn't want to be in camera. Okay. Okay, then we have like other books and whatever magazines over here as well. 2019. You basically get to see all these amazingness. I know, right? So yeah, this is my favorite place to be. It just sucks that they close like every purpose for in our campus because at 6. Yeah, guys, that's the only struggle I have with the school, but it's really nice. I guess it is what it is. This is where I spend most of my time if I'm not in class, if I'm not at the cafeteria. So, but babes, ooh, huh? Yes, look at this. Such a baddie, Instagram baddie. She's gonna keep like what the F. Ooh, I'm not taking a picture, it's a video.
That was a face.
I didn't bring the charger. We're about to watch a movie. Ooh, the one girl that always kills it in look at that bag. Yes. No. I want a fashion student. Guys. So bye.